This is Matt. He works as a comic book artist. He works from home. He has a family, but he is alone during the daytime. As you can see, he is under a lot of stress. And here we have Sophie. She hikes and loves nature, but she has no real knowledge about it. And finally, we have Diane. She loves nature, but she is a bit unhappy about the greenery of her town. They find out about biHome in various ways. After giving biHome a shot, their kits are delivered to them. These kits include everything they need to start their journey. Necessary tools, soil, seeds, and much more. With biHome, their journey begins. They receive all the tips, tricks, and notifications they need to look after their plants. Isn't it magnificent watching your plants grow? It is now time to head out and share what you have grown with everyone. All these different people with different motivations were brought together. It looks like they are getting along. Diane seems to be experienced and knows where they should plant. She even gives instructions from her own experience. Everything comes to an end, but also every end is the messenger of a new beginning. Oh, did you think it was done? We will go through it again next month. And that is biHome for you. Grow your town from your home.